Hi, everyone, and welcome back. Welcome back to week two, module two, where we're going to discuss location analysis and supplier relationships. So we combine location analysis and supplier relationships in this week because whenever organizations are looking to locate their facilities, one key component is the proximity to their suppliers. So whenever we're doing location analysis, we want to look at the proximity to supplier. We want to look at the proximity to customer. We want to look at the proximity to the workforce, and we want to look at the proximity to the amenities for the workforce. So there's a number of considerations that are made, and if you refer to large facilities that you see, you're not going to see a large manufacturing facility in the middle of New York City. You're not going to see a large manufacturing facility in the middle of Mumbai. You're going to see these large facilities in rural areas that are easily accessible off of major thoroughfares, major highways, so that the trucks can easily get on and off of these thoroughfares, of these roads, of these highways, whenever they are picking up or dropping off products. Another discussion that we're going to discuss is the concept of the supplier code of conduct. Now, given that some organizations you are familiar with, I'm not going to say any names, have got into hot water because of their supplier base. Organizations have created what we refer to as a supplier code of conduct. Now, within our organizations, we have an employee code of conduct. From a supply chain perspective, a lot of organizations are creating supplier codes of conduct to ensure that their suppliers are acting ethically, because business partners within your supply chain network have a direct impact on your organizational reputation. Also, within this week, we're going to talk about the importance of logistics, which we've seen during the pandemic, where we've seen a number of shortages around the world because of supply chain disruptions. Within this week, we're going to take that importance of logistics a step further, and we're going to look at the supply chain strategies organizations must implement when sourcing their materials. And it's given that we're in the supplier relationship discussion, there's a difference between sourcing and suppliers and vendors. Whenever we're doing sourcing, we are selecting what suppliers we're going to add to our business partner network. When we are sourcing, we are looking at certain competencies those suppliers can provide, and location is one of them, because we have concepts such as just in time, which we discussed back in the intro to supply chain class, where if we have a close proximity to our suppliers, we're able to implement a just in time model, which in turn will reduce our inventory levels within our facilities. Also, within this week, we're going to talk about, how we're going to ensure that continuous collaboration and communication and visibility with our suppliers, using and leveraging tools such as supplier relationship management applications. So we get that real-time visibility so that the suppliers know at any given time how they're performing through our eyes. I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to our discussions this week. Thank you.